sunrise to sunset, people can be found at an outdoor shooting range in Blacksburg. Gun owners take aim at targets with their choice of weapon. The private range is open to the public and depends on donations. Most of the people at the range are glad that the state legislators and Governor Bob McDonnell shot down the Virginia law that limits handgun purchases to one per month.
I think if you're an honorable citizen and you don't have a record, you're not a convicted felon, you have the right to own or buy as many guns as you want.
Law enforcement groups backed the original law passed in 1993. It was intended to slow the flow of guns from Virginia to New York City. In 1991, a federal report found 40% of guns found at crime scenes in New York had been purchased in Virginia. Gun control groups say Virginia's new law will make it easier for convicted felons, other criminals, and the mentally ill to buy handguns, and it will put more guns on the streets in a country where there's already one handgun for every 3 people. Gun rights supporters counter that responsible gun use and ownership is the best response to cutting down on crime and accidents. The state offers classes for people to learn about gun safety. Joey Williams teaches a class at New River Community College. He hopes that people leave his class with a better knowledge of gun safety.
Where the muzzle's pointed, finger off the trigger, and every gun is always loaded. The 3 most important things.
Williams says that you don't have to like guns, but that everyone should be comfortable with using one, because you never know when a gun will end up in your hands. I'm Star Anderson, NRV News.